So today we'll be looking at problem number 34 in the textbook. And the first part of this question asks if the string can be exactly horizontal. And the answer to this is no, it cannot. Because when the ball is in motion, the earth is pulling downwards on the ball. And if the string was directly horizontal, that means it'd be exerting a force directly perpendicular. And in this case, there would be no other force interacting with the ball other than these two. So this would create an imbalanced some forces in the imbalance of forces in the x and y direction, and that would mean it would be moving up and down or accelerating upwards or downwards, which it is actually not. It's just moving in a circle. So this cannot be the case. But anyways, that's the answer to part A. Now let's take a look at part B. And in part B, we are trying to find the ball's tangential speed. So to do this, we have to use the formula V, the velocity, equals 2 pi r. And 2r is basically the diameter, and this is the circumference basically. And divided by the time it takes to complete one revolution. We're dividing 2 pi r, which is actually the distance of one revolution, by the time it takes to complete one revolution. So you can think about it as change in distance over the change in time, which we defined earlier as velocity. So if we plug in the information we are given into the equation, okay. This comes to about 7.85 meters per second. And so this is the speed, and this is the answer to part B. Now, moving on to part C. In C, we are looking to find the centripetal force that we are exerting onto the ball through the string. So we know that force equals mass times acceleration. And we are given the mass of the ball, which is 0.250, and to find the acceleration next. And the acceleration we can calculate from the velocity, which will be v squared divided by r, and we get v squared. So it's approximately 7.85 squared divided by the radius, which is 1.5. And solving this, we get that the acceleration is about 41.12. And multiplying that by the mass, we get the force is 10.28 about. So the answer would be 10.28 newtons. Okay, thank you.